Somewhere on this earth, an animal was born worth more than most people will ever earn. Out of 17 million Brahman cattle alive today, scientists chose exactly one. The team that arrived wasn't carrying ropes. They were carrying genetic analysis equipment, because what this animal becomes sells for more than $500,000. Every millimeter of this animal is measured, because at this level, approximation is failure. The scanner confirms what the experts already suspected. This one is different. Tag 00147. From this moment on, this animal has only one purpose. 6 hours, 3 specialists, 1 nod. Approved. The transport that arrives isn't ordinary. Its interior is climate controlled, and every moment of the journey is monitored. Inside this trailer, the conditions are better than those of most cargo, worth 100 times more. The facility has no public address, no road signs, and the people waiting inside have spent their entire careers preparing for this moment. The doors open. What walks in here will never be the same again. Before a single tool touches the material, science must first understand every molecule it's working with. 12 specialists, 6 hours, 1 animal. The examination is more rigorous than most medical procedures. A single strand of hair contains a biological record that will be referenced for the next 18 months. Sealed, labeled, archived. Nothing in this process is lost. Nothing is forgotten. Under the microscope, the fiber density places this hide in a category that most tanneries will never have the chance to work with: 1,620 kilograms. Every gram contributes to what comes next. Horn span, hump height, body length. These aren't just measurements. They're engineering specifications. A mistake made here echoes through every cut, every stitch, and every finished millimeter. 347 photographs. Angles most people have never even considered capturing, because reference matters. Stored at -20 degrees, still viable, even 50 years from now. That isn't caution, that's the standard. The digital profile is complete. Every detail of this animal now exists inside a system that will outlive everyone in this room. This facility processes fewer than 40 hides a year, not because they can't handle more, because they choose not to. Laid flat, this hide covers more surface area than most dining tables. Every centimeter is examined before anything else begins. There are no instruments for this part, only hands. Only 30 years of experience, reading a surface that most people would simply call leather. The washing process alone takes 11 hours, because what comes next demands a chemically perfect foundation. Inside this drum, something irreversible is happening. The formula has been refined over 60 years, and it isn't written down anywhere. When the drum finally opens, what comes out is no longer the same material that went in. The light proves it instantly. 1 degree off, 1 hour too long, and 11 months of preparation become scrap. 31 years, reading leather by touch. He can detect thickness variations as small as 0.5 millimeter. No machine has ever replaced him. The silver lines appearing across this hide are the most expensive pencil marks ever drawn. Everything outside those lines is discarded. This storage room holds material worth more per square meter than real estate in many cities. The leather is finally ready, which means the most demanding stage of the entire process is about to begin. This cutting table stretches 7 meters long. The leather resting on it represents 11 months of work, leading to this single moment. The pattern isn't just a shape, it's a structural decision. Get the grain direction wrong, and the bag will never hold its form. This alignment takes longer than most people spend deciding what to buy, because once it's done, it cannot be undone. Every line this pencil draws is a commitment. The blade that follows will not negotiate. The first cut, 11 months of preparation, is either justified or it isn't. There is no third option. 4 tons of pressure with every cut. The die is custom made, and manually checked before every single press cycle just 40 minutes ago. These components were part of one continuous hide. The precision of these cuts allows the seams to become almost invisible, a technique unchanged since the 1700s, because nothing invented since has produced a stronger stitch. Not one thing, just 3 hours ago. These were nothing more than flat pieces of leather. Now, look at what's taking shape on this bench. A bag is beginning to emerge. These edges will never appear in a product photograph. Most customers will never consciously notice them. They receive the same level of attention anyway. Every piece of hardware on this bag is load-bearing, installed by hand, verified by eye, and tested before anything else is touched. These handles will carry the full weight of this bag every day for potentially decades. The stitching is designed to outlast the leather itself. This lining will only ever be seen by one person in the world, yet it's finished to exactly the same standard as the exterior. This is the test that matters most, not how it looks, but how it opens, how it closes, and how it feels every single time it's used. The polish being applied right now seals every microscopic pore, protecting the leather from everything the world will eventually throw at it. Weeks of work, thousands of decisions, hundreds of hours of skilled human craftsmanship. Everything leads to this moment. The finished bag now faces its toughest audience. The craftsman who built it, under a loupe with 10 times magnification. Every stitch is inspected, one by one, the tension, the spacing, the angle. Nothing escapes their eyes. The grain slowly rotates beneath the light, because some imperfections reveal themselves only from a certain angle. This hardware mechanism will be opened and closed 100 times during inspection. 100 times before it ever leaves this room. The true structure of a bag reveals itself only when it's empty. This craftsman has been testing empty bags. For 23 years, the cloth moving across the surface isn't cleaning it, it's revealing it. Every flaw, every perfection, the brand plate being attached now is the final component, the signature. After this, nothing can be changed. These photographs will become part of this bag's history. If it ever appears at auction, 20 years from now, or even 50, this documentation will still matter. The dust bag closing around the product is the very first thing the client will touch. It isn't an afterthought, it's part of the experience. The presentation box has been engineered to open with exactly the right amount of resistance. Even the reveal has been designed. And this signature is the final act of accountability, the craftsman's name, permanently connected to everything this product represents. The factory's work is finished. From this moment on, the world takes over.